What's good, my people? Yeah, my people, I want to teach you guys one simple trick. This is one of the tricks I've been using to save people's content on TikTok. Sometimes you can just see people's video and then you feel like you should save the video, or probably you want to make use of the video later. Then you're trying to download the video, it's not downloading, or you can't find the download button. Probably maybe the owner of the video set it in only me, or you cannot just download anything on the person's account. Then you just have to screen record. Don't worry, you don't need to screen record anymore. Let me teach you what you need to do. So firstly, all you need to do is click on that arrow button, that share button. Click on that share button. Once you click on that share button, you click on add to story. Once you click on add to story, you click on that place. Once you click on that place, you see save. Just click on that arrow. You see save with watermark. Like that, you are downloading the video. All you just need to do is wait. And if you know you don't want to save with watermark, that means you have to repost that person's video on your account. But it does not make sense to be posting somebody else's content. TikTok, they will write you as copyright. So like that, you can save somebody else's content. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you click on the like button and then share this post. Peace out.